Get the creative edge on heavy-duty projects with the Brother ST4031 HD Strong and Tough Serger. Tackle layers of heavy fabrics. Cut a smooth, clean edge, even on tough surfaces, with the extra strong and incredibly sharp carbide blade. The Brother ST4031 HD Strong and Tough Serger is built to last, with a heavy-duty metal frame, a remarkably durable metal thread stand, and a table designed to support heavier fabrics. It's easy to use, built for speed, and engineered for maximum flexibility. So you know it'll be ready to handle whatever you're ready to throw at it. Don't be afraid to flex a muscle on your next creative project with the Brother ST4031 HD Strong and Tough Serger.
Did you ever need to shorten a pair of jeans or a dress quickly? Introducing the Designio DZ1234 Serger, one of 6 machines in the new Designio series from Brother, designed for the designer in you. With both a 3 and 4 thread configuration, this tool utilizes differential feed for better stitch quality on a wide variety of fabrics, designed specifically to cut and finish garments quickly and with ease. The DZ1234 Serger comes with free phone and online technical support, plus a 25-year limited parts warranty, and it's ROHS compliant. The DZ1234 comes with 2 sets of starter thread, a blind hem stitch foot, a gathering foot, and a piping foot to give you even more options for that professional, specialized finish you're looking for on your designs. It even includes an instructional DVD to get you serging in no time. Threading the machine is easy. Just follow the numbers. You'll enjoy reliable, easy color-coded threading. The differential fabric feed offers a 0.7 to 2.0 ratio on many fabrics, even lightweight knits, offering durable and consistent stitch quality virtually every time. So up to 1,300 stitches per minute to create couture-level fashions faster than ever. See how easy it is to hem a pair of pants, take in a seam yourself, or create your own piping using fabric strips and piping cord. Dream up your creation and bring it to life on this extremely affordable yet feature-packed machine, and have everything you need to get started in one Designio package.
To insert or remove a bobbin, make sure the needle is in its highest position by turning the hand wheel toward you. Remove the extension table from the machine and then open the hinged cover. Pull the bobbin case tab and then remove the bobbin case. Hold the bobbin case with one hand. Remove the bobbin. Insert the full bobbin so that the thread moves in a clockwise direction. Pull the thread through the slit and under the finger. Hold the bobbin case by the hinged latch. Insert it into the shuttle. You should feel it click into place. Once the bobbin case is correctly seated, release the latch. To check that the bobbin case has been properly installed, slowly turn the hand wheel toward you. The needle should move up and down without hitting the bobbin case. If the needle hits the bobbin case, or if the bobbin case starts falling out of the shuttle, remove the bobbin case completely and reinsert it. The bobbin thread tension can be tested by removing the bobbin case and bobbin and holding them suspended by the thread tail. Bounce it once or twice. If the thread unwinds an inch or two, the tension is set correctly. If the thread doesn't unwind at all, the tension is set too tightly. Turn the screw on the side of the bobbin case to the left to loosen tension. If the bobbin case drops too much, the tension is set too loosely. Turn the screw on the side of the bobbin case to the right to tighten.